we are making vegetable chowder, or chowder you feel slightly less guilty about. Listed is my chosen ingredients. It's always good to do some basic prep and cleaning so we don't have any ickies cross-contaminating. Now let's grab our pot and start rendering our bacon. As that's working, let's chop our vegetables. One of the things you can do to help control the texture of your vegetables is to control the cut size. Like, I like to have my potatoes a little al dente, so I leave them a little bit larger. Of course, when this cheddar's complete, you can use an immersion blender for a lovely silky smooth bisque. Or if you just need to charge extra $10. I'm using a mixture of canned sweet cream corn and fresh corn. It may be fun to play with the corns here. There's a cornucopia of corn choices out there. Let's take our vegetables, including a half a cup of corn. Start sauteing. Then we add some salt to help draw out some of that water, occasionally stirring. When the vegetables start to be tender, let's mix in our potatoes. Let's add our flavor juice, BloodyMary mix. Then the rest of the corn. Mix in, and then our stock. Now is a good time to add a little more salt and pepper. Cover and bring to a boil over medium-high heat. Reduce the heat and simmer until potatoes are tender, about 20 minutes. As that is working, let's throw our butter in a saucepan and make our roux by heating it up and adding the flour, pancake mix. Then add in the half and half. Have a taste of the soup and make any adjustments or additions, such as salt and pepper, before we add in the white sauce that we just made. Now for the cheddar. Here I am using extra sharp cheddar. Cheddar, like what we need to keep this channel going. So, like, sub, comment, got 'em. Now for our lager, or whatever ails you. There you have it, our vegetable chowder. Pairs great with a white wine.